welcome to Galapagos. We are here. We couldn't actually find a little sign that says Galapagos on it.
But we can guarantee you that we are.
But we can guarantee that or otherwise we'll prove it to you later. That we're in Galapagos, hopefully. I think actually, well, we're going on a boat for 5 days, which I didn't realise. So we're sharing with another group of people, but I think it's mainly us. Because we're like a big group of 7 and I think there's like 3 other people as part of the tour. So it's going to be a bit sort of dominated. You might realise that we're matching, but
Let's go.
okay, we'll show you that later. We need to go actually, because our bus is going. Yeah, so we'll head to the bus and then shall show you guys around Galapagos hopefully. So one of these here is our boat that we're going to be staying on for the next 5 nights, but to get there we have to go on these little dinghies. So good thing we've got a GoPro. That's our boat there. Can you swim?
Sink or swim.
Welcome to the Galapagos boat that we are on. Say hi, Rona.
Hey, hey.
Say hi, Dad.
Look at your friend there. Hello. No, there.
And the bird.
Oh, yeah.
Dad, what bird is it?
Frigate bird.
Frigate bird.
He's the evil one.
Say hi, Damien.
Hi.
We're going over there to that beach. It does look a bit rainy at the moment, but I think we're going for a little walk on the beach and hopefully with some snorkeling. Dan's going to do some da, 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 da. Are you jealous, Rona? Jealous?
Huh?
Are you jealous?
Of course.
No? You should be. Welcome to our little room for the next 5 days. Bunk bed, me and Emma. We've got some drawers there. We're going to get rid of this big backpacks and put them downstairs apparently. So I'm having bottom bunk, Emma's having top bunk. And this is a little bathroom, ensuite with shower. So really having it rough over the next few days. Got little drawers down here as well, which are so cool. And we got like our packing cubes all sorted, so not regretting any of that right now anyway. How you feeling, Emma?
Yeah, good.
Yeah? Oh, we got our t-shirts hanging up.
Yeah, I'm just letting them
Yeah?
here.
You've got your Emma Dick. Emma Dick. Furry Dick. Yeah. It's so much better with that door open, isn't it? 'Cause it's so sweaty. This is the sweatiest place I think I've ever been. Sweaty, sweaty, sweaty. Anyway, I'm gonna go upstairs. Our lifeboats. This in here is the dining room where we just had the most delicious lunch. Tuna steaks. We want to go up here. Oh my god, this is a bit tricky with one hand. Ugh, try not to fall over. This would be easier if I wasn't wearing flip-flops. Oh yes, and we have the Ecuadorian flag, I think. Just turn wheel. Just kidding. Wow. Amazing. Over there is a lovely looking beach. Dare say we'll get there at some point. I think Joseph's and Dad's room's up here. There's the captain. Oh, it's a bit wet. It's a bit wet here.
Yeah. This is
You look comfortable.
feels like we're in the Scottish Highlands right now.
There we go, halfway around the world. And,
We're on the equator and I'm freezing.
freezing to death. Dad, I want to go home.
Well, not until you've had a good swim.
Not until I've had a good swim. There we go. Just landed on this beach here with my dinghy. The driver was like so scared. He came in backwards on top of a wave, and then like feathered it into the beach. It's so cool. So there's like no one else here, except for Damien. So we're going to go on a little hike, apparently, try and find some flamingos. Get your toes wet. These crabs. He's running away a little bit. Oh, it's all the way up there. See if this wave knocks him off again. They know what they're doing. These here are turtle tracks. And apparently, over here is their nest. So this time of year between January and February is when they hatch nest. Run away! Running into the sea. Ah, shit! No.
Come along with me. Do you wanna?